elders of Isiala Kingdom, I greet you all.
No.
I will go straight to the point. Our brother Ibezim here has found our missing sacred calabash.
Yes, I did.
Wait, hold on. Where and when did he find it?
Where he found it is not important at the moment. Good man.
But it is not in our tradition that whoever finds the sacred calabash becomes the king.
Brother, listen. You can never stop me from being the king. If any attempt from any of you to do that, I will take back my calabash and leave.
You cannot be king. Impossible. You will never be king.
Ojuku. Calm down. Just hold on. Let us find out first if that thing he has is the real sacred calabash. That's how we will do it.
Ibezim, if you say what you have with you is our missing sacred calabash, then put it on the table.
Yeah. That's what we should be talking about now.
The lion of you have seen what he presented as our missing sacred calabash. So let us see whether it is the real one.
It is real.
Oh no. Bring your phone.
Oh no.
The king is ready to come out.
Good. Tell the king to come. We are waiting.
King? Which king? Listen, everybody. I hope you people are not trying to play foul play on me, because if you do, I will take back my sacred calabash and leave. I told you, I will find the sacred calabash.
Your Majesty, like I told you earlier, Ibezim brought this as our missing sacred calabash.
I see. Ojukwu.
Your Majesty.
Get me that thing I gave you to keep for me.
This is my brother. Very wicked. Very wicked brother.
Come from the same room to try.
Majesty.
Ibezim. Ibezim. Thank you for fooling around.
I knew it. I knew that these people will go and get a fake thing to represent our sacred calabash. This is our sacred calabash. This is fake.
What was it that you knew? What was it that you knew? Now we will be able to know which is the correct one and which one is not.
Ibezim, if you think, like you say, that this is the real calabash, our missing sacred calabash, pick the offer and use it to touch the calabash.
Must we go through all these processes? It's not necessary. It's not necessary.
Ibezim, take the offer and touch it on the calabash.
isi ga-abụ eze ya ga-abụọ onye chinyere eze ya
We always go inside grave to break the crops.
Sit down, two of you. You see yourself? You should have known that we crowned the right man as our king.
Right, man. Go. I am not comfortable with what is going on here. I don't understand this conspiracy. You crown the right man as king. Who is the right man? Huh?
A little child who does not know the name of a bird calls it that bird. Refused to be as foolish as you and Ofoka.
How are you sure that this is the right calabash?
If you must know, Akata brought it to me in my house.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Who knows my name? Are you human or spirit? Show yourself.
I come in peace.
Who are you?
I am Akata.
Akata, what brings you to my home?
Greetings, Ono. I'm here to give you the sacred calabash. It is not cleansed. Take it and keep it safe.
If the sacred calabash is cleansed, why bring it to me? Why not take it to the palace?
Oh no! I'm not stupid. The king is on his way to the other side of the world. And this calabash cannot be in the palace until the new king is be crowned. Take it and keep it safe.
Akata, are you saying that the king is about to join our ancestors?
I'm not here to tell you that. I'm here to give you the sacred calabash. I repeat, keep it safe.
But, Akata, why would the gods punish the Igwe for the abomination committed by his daughter-in-law?
The king was aware of her infidelity, but could not stop her because they were desperately looking for a male child.
It's all right. So, when do we bury the king?
Oh no, that is left for your people to decide. My mission here is over. Do not let wisdom to stay away from your palms, because a lot, I repeat, a lot is going to happen.
Thank you, Akata.
Remember, the sacred calabash should not be taken to the palace until the new king is crowned until the royal house is cleansed.
Whatever that has to do with life, whatever that can take or give life, be careful, handle with respect, because it is so sacred. Whatever that has to do with life, whatever that can take or give life.
Oh no, I greet you. The prince asked me to call you.
How are you?
Fine, the prince sent me to call you.
Is everything all right?
I don't think everything is all right. The king cannot wake up. Prince Obinna said I should come and call you right away.
It's okay. Tell him I'm coming, eh?
You know.
Hey. Igwe. So this is it.
The spirit of our ancestors, we call upon you. Gods of our land, we call upon you to witness this great event. It is not our wish to disturb you at this hour of the night. But a frog does not run during the day, except its house is on fire. We call upon you to come from the four corners of the land and accept this our sacrifice. We call upon you to cleanse the land. We call upon you to cleanse our prince.
By the powers conferred on me by the gods of our land, as the traditional prime minister of Isiala Kingdom, and by the dictates of our tradition, I hereby crown you Igwe Ugonabo of Isiala Kingdom.
Igwe Ugonabo, therefore, of Isiala Kingdom, you shall live long. Chika, you shall live long. Igwe Ugonabo, Egade, Egade, Egade.
My elders,
Igwe,
I greet you all.
Igwe.
I must confess that I'm so glad to have honest men like you in this land. Ichiojuku,
Igwe,
may the gods of our land continue to guide you and keep you for us. You're a good man.
Thank you, Igwe.
Your Majesty.
Oh no.
Ojuku.
Oh no.
You are a good man.
Thank you.
You know, other men would have supported their brother to perpetuate evil. But you said no to evil. That stands you out. By this singular act of yours, may you and your entire generation never, ever cross the path of evil.
Once again, my elders, I thank you all. May we go inside and make merry.
My elders. So that was it. In fact, I am so glad today that today has come to pass like this. What did you say? What happened? It didn't happen. But I take that rubbish and return it to wherever you got it from. Idiot! Hey! They carry me! When I carry my calabash, they carry me! When I carry my calabash, they carry me! When I carry my calabash, they carry me! When I carry my calabash,
wait. Ofoka, you and the Carlo, please. You don't need to talk to you now. Well, now, please, get out of here.
Look at them, useless elders.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
You're a wise man.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ibekwe Anojuku.
Igwe.
I will never forget this.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you so much.
Igwe.
Suma. Get some drinks.
Yes, Your Highness.
Let's make merry.
Yes, Your Highness.
Igwe, you know that drink that your father normally gives to me?
I know what you like.
Igwe. If I'm a little
Okay.
Give it to me. Igwe.
Oh no.
Have it.
Oh no. Oh no.
Igwe.
Oh no.
Igwe. What brings the dead to the living?
We are in your dream. I want to thank you for everything you have done for my son and the entire people of Isiala. Our ancestors will reward you.
He said,
Ola needs to go to rest so that she would not torment the royal household in future. Go to her people, tell them what happened so that she might be given a befitting burial.
all right, Your Majesty. I will do that. But what of your father?
My son is ready. He has made up his mind on a date. I want you to stand by him in good and rebuke him when he turns to evil. I count on you. Take this. It is a sign of love. What a dream.
Oh no. Oh no. What is it? Why are you screaming my name?
Oh no. I saw the king in my dream.
You did?
Yes.
He equally visited me in my dream. I was actually dozing here.
He talked to me about giving his maid, Ola, a befitting burial.
He told me the same thing. Hey, in that case, I have to go and see Obina tomorrow and tell him about it.
Oh no.
Yes.
Why didn't anybody tell me about this?
We had a serious battle on our hands then. Now that we've won that, we have to face another.
Then we have to be fast about it so that her spirit does not begin to haunt the royal family.
You are very correct. You are very, very correct. You know what? You go home. I will go and see Obina tomorrow. So don't worry. All right.
Oh no.
Okay, go well.
All right.
Your Majesty, you're welcome.
Thank you.
So, what is it that you wanted to talk to me about? I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. I want to make peace with the chief priest before the Ofala.
That's a very good idea. So, when do you want me to invite him? For me, I suggest we do it within the week.
I would like to go to the shrine today. We can go today if you're less busy.
What will I be doing? I'm not busy. So, let me go and dress up.
It's okay. I'm waiting.
Okay. Hey. Your Majesty, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay. Ready now?
Yes.
My king.
What is it?
The chief priest just died in front of the gate.
Chief priest?
Yes or no?
Died?
They carry me when they carry my God. They carry me when they carry my God. Oh no, come on, crown me king. Crown me the king. I'm the king of Israel. I should do the sacred calabash. Crown me king.
You see? The evil that men do lives after them.
That was before, not now. Hey.
This will serve as a great lesson to others. Look at you, Bezim. Look at you.
You have fetched ant-infested firewood.
Is it ant or wood? Which one?
And now be prepared to entertain lizards.
Lizard is a special delicacy. Look, I ate it during the war. Everybody will eat lizard. Lizard is so sweet. Give me my crown. Okay. Oh, you are going to get the king, eh? You are going to get the king. Crown me king. I am the king of Isiala. I am the king of Isiala. Oh no, where's my king? Oh no, give me my king. Oh no, give me my crown. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, give me my crown.
Your Highness, my lord, long live the king.
My lord, my love, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where is my son?
He's in Ego's room. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. But before we go, I want to say something to you.
What is it, my lord? I want to say something first.
What is it then?
Thank you for forgiving me. You are an awesome man.
You're welcome, my love. I love you.
I love you more.